Hey everyone, welcome back to EdTube. Today we've got a packed episode filled with the latest news and updates. We'll be covering a variety of topics, so stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more informative content. Like, share, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Let's dive in.
Hi everyone, this is Sanid, all the way from Mexico, competing in Miss Universe, representing Eritrea, and I wanted to quickly share with you that I know you've all been voting for me on Choicely, but right now I wanted to encourage you to vote for me on CI Talks voting link. As you've already noticed, after you vote on Choicely, you don't know where Eritrea stands and how much more we need to vote in order to make it to the top. But apparently, if you vote on CI Talk link, you are able to see the ranking of the country. So as of now, Eritrea is number 15 out of 130 countries. Number 15. That's a very big deal, and I want to encourage you all to keep pushing me and supporting me to become one of the top 10 and eventually one of the top 3, because that will support me and being one of the finalists on stage. So please keep pushing on the votes, and please, I guess it's better to focus on what we can see rather than what we cannot see. And because we can see the iTalks results right now, I just wanted to encourage you to focus on that. Thank you so much for your continued support and prayers, and I hope you can continue doing it until I get to the finish line. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to EdTube, like this video, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us bring you more content. See you in the next video.